Hey guys, we bought this Delsey two-piece Hardside trunk set, the 26 inches and 21 or 20 inches around. So let me just open and show you. Comes in a nice sturdy box. So let me just open it up. So this is the main 26 luggage set, and then there is a one inside it. So total two pieces, and this is a black color. So the two side handles, one on the top, one on the side, as you can see. So this is good to do, and 360-degree rotating wheels, and then the handle to pull it on the top. So this also comes with the lock and on the number lock thing, and there's a handle on the side as well, and the lock on the top. So as I said, the wheels is like the 360-degree rotation. This is really helpful to carry like the multiple luggages and easy to carry on the airport, lightweight compared to the fabric one, and then from inside also is a good fabric, and the straps here. So it's a nice design and the nice pouch thing with the zipper or the mesh zipper that you can use and store the stuff in.